Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, you will learn how you can change your email address on asana.com really quickly. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this. So head over to asana.com, and what you want to do is click on the profile icon in the top right to access your account settings here. And inside your account settings, switch from the profile tab to the account tab here. And under manage emails, you'll be given the opportunity to change or to replace your current email. As you can see, that one is the preferred notification email right now. Oh, for obvious reasons, you can't remove the given email if that's the only one you're using. So to change your email address, you will first need to add a new one by clicking on that button here. After that, simply add your new email address here, confirm by clicking on add there. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to remove your previous or past email addresses. Also make sure, guys, or be prepared that you will get asked by Asana to verify the new email address afterwards. So make sure that you're prepared for that. And that's basically it, guys. Once that's done, you will be able to use your new email address to log in here on Asana. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.